Alright. We have like stopped all production of working because we've been dying laughing. First we were making Chewbacca noises and it was amazing.
Because we're really bad at it.
Oh, we're at the final 10 minutes.
Okay, anyways, back to what we were talking about. And I stopped and I was about to do it and I was going through my iPod and Owl City came on and then did a really high-pitched scream because he was like freaking out. And then Zach, right there, see him? Wave Zach. Yay, okay. Oh. He came back and he's like, okay, like every customer in the back of the store just looked back here and like 3 of them are laughing. And then we started making more Chewbacca noises. And we decided to do this for you. Alright, Ben?
I can't do it. It's really, really bad. And, oh. The camera's intimidating.
Fine. I'll do mine first. Choke before I get to do it. Okay. I can't do it. I'm really bad at it. I can't even roll my R's.
I can't either, and I'm Hispanic.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. Okay. Okay, Ben, your turn.
Let me focus. I'm good. No, I'm not. Okay. I can't do it. Alright.
It's just like... Oh, okay. We decided to bring you that enjoyment of what we do at work. Because we are complete losers. Alright, bye.